Morning. We're on our way to Hermosa Beach Pier for a quick swim. And Maria's gonna she likes to run between the piers, about 4 miles, so more to come. Ugh, it's hard to get up. The ocean looks cold today at 7:20. Okay, let's find our parking. Hopefully we got a spot. Okay, we're walking down the pier here. There's Dave.
Walking down.
And it's cold. So we'll see what it's like when we get in the 63-degree water. Okay, so we just got out of the water this weekend. Very bumpy, very choppy. Oh, water about 63. We didn't go very far. I can't believe there's some women out there bareback swimming out there. It's cold conditions. So anyway, you can kind of see the ocean there. I'll pan around, see Scotty's, and then Jim and our gear. Okay, showers are cold too. So till next week, June gloom in effect.